afternoon, and it's me, Maria Lovely, and my content for today was all about a lot of plants. It was related to my content in my shorts video. Yeah, here it is. A lot of plants. It's a boombell. Yeah, boombell here. Lots there. Lots everywhere. Yeah, oh. Ganda nila. Plants. That was the plants of my sister-in-law. Ayan. Kanyang pagtugi-tugi. I-zoom natin para makikita nyo guys. Ang ganda diba? Super ganda. Permission to video. Permission with the owner. It's an orchid. Yeah, orchid. A lot of aglaonema. Aglaonema there. It's like a pantry for a Christmas tree. Yeah. A pine tree everywhere. San Francisco. Ang tawag nito yung kanta ko. A lot of San Francisco. Plant again. This one, the plant. A kind of a cactus. Nilagyan ng tuko, pero hindi siya mamamatay. So, punta naman tayo dito guys. So, ito ang arrangement dito sa mga plants. Ayan. Ano kayo tawag sa halaman na to? Ito siya guys. Ang tawag ito. Ang ganda ng halaman na to guys. It's like a heart. Yeah, but actually it's not a heart. I don't know what's the name of this plant. Pero ang ganda niya. Super. Ang ganda niya. This one. This is called saging-saging plant. Yan ang kanyang arrangement. Kahit sa aglonema again. Calathea. That we call this one Calathea. And this one aglonema. Another plants. Pine tree. Tawag yung ganitong tanim mo. Ayan. Ganyan ang pagka-arrange ng kanyang plants dito, everyone. A lot of plants. Ayan. It was kilala. Kilala yun. Itong tanim. Kilala yan. San Francisco. Antulanga. In English is Gomamela. Gumagalaw sila kasi may hangin. Ito. Init kasi. So, ganun na siya. Ganun na tanim. Ayan siya guys. Ayan. Nakita niyo ba? Ayan. At sa part of cactus. Inaalay niya mga cactus guys. Ayan. Namiss ko to yung mag-alaga naman. Ano naman siya guys. Ayan, ganito. Laraw. Ayan siya guys. Ganun siya ang pag-arrange dito. Ganun siya pag-arrange. Ayan. To be careful everyone, this is not my plants. This is the plants of my sister-in-law. Tapos ito. Yan lang guys. And that will end my video for today. Sana nagustuhan yung aking content for today. Bye bye everyone. Till my next vlog. Bye!